Well, good evening, everyone. It's Megan, and for the last assignment for Batch 2, I have created a list of five topics that I think are really relevant to the 21st century skills that all teachers should have when teaching younger students. So, the first one I have how to use technology responsible. I think this one plays a huge role within today's society due to kids growing up with smartphones or tablets at their fingertips. I think this is super important because not only do they have them at home and they're playing with them in terms of social media or games, but also when come into the classroom setting, they are using technology for their education purposes. So I think it's very important for them to know what is responsible to do on these things and what's not, and how they can kind of balance those classroom setting and then in a home environment. For the second one, with critical thinking, part for students is to identify what is fake news and what is true on the internet. I think this is something that not only I could benefit from, but I think teachers and other students, because with today, with all the social medias like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, it is important for us to know what is true out there and what's false, and how to identify that and how do you evaluate different sources. So I think that is huge in today's society as well. For the third one, it's letting the students be creative in their own ways, taking what they're passionate about and what they see true quality in, and bringing that into the classroom and encouraging them being their true selves. Because everyone's different. Everyone has their own unique piece that makes them them, and I think that's important to bring that to everyone within the classroom. The fourth one is with communication. I think it is extremely important to have that face to face communication skill due to any having a scholarship that you need to interview for, or a job interview, or an internship interview. I think that is very, very important to know how to communicate with someone older, someone at your age, or in between. I think that's something that you're going to need for the rest of your life. But in the era that we're growing up in now, I think it's even more crucial to have the communication skill of who and what to share information with online, from email to text to social media and stuff like that. I think it's important to know how to be grammarly correct and having spelling checked and just having all that taken care of, because that's just the new way of how to communicate with people. Um, for example, having this talk right now, I think it's very important to be able to communicate and so you can understand exactly what I want to get across the table. So I think that's just very important. And then finally, the fifth one is collaboration with diverse backgrounds. This is so huge in today's society. I think this should be my number one instead of number five. I think it's key to a success of being open minded and hearing other people's viewpoints, or seeing how they look at something in life, or how they learn something in the classroom and how they adapt to something. In the world we live in, things change and it changes constantly. So if we adapt to it, it's only going to make us succeed further and make us successful faster. So I think it's very important for us to be able to let us learn from each other and allow that to be something that is welcome into a classroom setting as well. So, with that, those are just five key points I think are crucial in today's society, and I think this would be something that would be beneficial in a high school workshop for not only high school students but as well as teachers.